I hope hustlers are watching how they were deceived, how they were duped by Kenya Kwanza. No one cares about them. Let them pay advance tax. But I support Honorable Mbui's amendment.
Leader of majority, your point of order.
Honorable Speaker is overtaken since the Honorable CPA John Badi has sat, although it is good because you allowed us to ventilate on the issues here and not to pontificate on our political stance. But it's also good to inform the Honorable John Badi, and he's an accountant, though a junior accountant in terms of professional qualification. By age, I know he's older than me, but in terms of qualifying as a CPA, he knows I qualified when I was still a student at the university, when I was a junior finance officer. And he knows there's something in accounting called a prepayment. And what he's saying that government is borrowing from people, it is not government borrowing. It is simply taxpayers being asked to make a prepayment of what they owe to the taxpayer. When you are a rich man, when you are a rich man like Kimani Ichungwa or Junet Muhammad, who is running a fleet of vehicles in Isli, just like I ran my own fleet of vehicles in Kikuyu, rich men like me and Junet, we pay advance tax because we owe it to the people of Kenya. We owe it to the hustler nation so that children of hustlers can be able to get capitation for day secondary school and junior secondary, Honorable Speaker. And therefore, Honorable Speaker, I once again oppose the amendment by Robert Mbui again, and we all oppose.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, members. We said we are giving 2 chances only to the people who want to respond to it, so that we can move to there is still an amendment on this particular point.